Hello, a very happy morning to all the lovely students there. As you remember, we are on chapter number 21, that is perimeter, area and volume. We have already covered the topic that is perimeter. Let's have a look on all the formulas. So students, this all formulas we have already covered. Perimeter of triangle equals to AB plus BC plus CA. The next formula was perimeter of rectangle, that is 3 into side. Next we learned was perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 equals to L plus B. 2 bracket L plus B. L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Perimeter of square equals to 4 into side, or I can say 4 into L. So this was all about your perimeter. Now let's have a look on the area. So students, we will be starting the second part of our chapter, that is area. We will see the area of circle, square and rectangle. Let's go.
Look at the two shapes, A, B. Which figure is bigger and why? Well, figure B is bigger as it occupies more surface. We can also say that figure B has more area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area.
So students, one activity is given in board. That is, you have to observe and reply which ball is bigger and why. As we see this picture, we come to know that the ball B is bigger in size. They occupy the more space, more area. So, well, figure B is bigger as it occupies more surface. We can also say that figure B has more area. The main formula, or I can say the main meaning, here it is. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. This is the meaning of area. Please mark this in your textbook. Okay students, let's move.
Units of area. We measure area of a surface in square units of length. Consider a square. Each of whose sides is of length 1 meter. We say that its area is 1 square meter or 1 m square.
Always remember, the area is measured in squares. We measure area of a square, area of a surface in square units of length. हम हमेशा square use करेंगे. If in question it is used meter, then the answer will be meter square. Understood? We say that its area is 1 square meter or 1 meter square. आप चाहो तो आप ऐसे विजिट कर सकते हो आपका आंसर, और if you wish you can visit in this way, or 1 meter square.
Remember, standard unit of measuring area is meter square or square meter.
Standard unit of measuring area is meter square or square meter. This is important. You need to keep in your mind.
A meter. It is important to understand that areas of smaller surfaces are measured in square centimeters, centimeter square, or square millimeters, millimeter square, whereas areas of larger surfaces are measured in square meters, meter square, or square kilometers,
So students, it is very important to have a look. अगर छोटी जगह होगी, or I can say if the object is small, then it will have the unit that will be square, centimeter, square, millimeters. And if the object is huge, then the answer will be in square meters or in square kilometers.
Kilometer square. Units of length. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Units of area. 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 into 10 millimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. 1 decimeter square is equal to 10 into 10 centimeter square equal to 100 centimeter square. 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 centimeter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. 1 kilometer square is equal to 1000 into 1000 meter square equal to 10 lakhs meter square.
Students, this table is given on page number 167 of your textbook. You can have a look. This is important for MCQ purpose.
Area of a rectangle. Consider a rectangle of length 5 cm and breadth 3 cm. Divide the rectangle into squares, each of side 1 cm as shown. Now count the number of squares. Clearly, the rectangle has been divided into 15 squares, each of area 1 square centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle ABCD is equal to area of 15 squares equal to 15 square centimeter.
Students, sometimes it may happen that there is a figure this way. आपको एक स्क्वायर वाला फिगर दिया हो, so at that time what you will do? You will count कि ये फिगर कितने बॉक्सेस में आया है. Then you can say that this figure is of 15 boxes, so ultimately 15 centimeter square. Understood, students? It is very easy, right?
Equal to 5 into 3 square centimeter. In general, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, square units.
In this, you have to remember the formula. That is, area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Square, जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा वो square units में आएगा. It might be square meters or centimeter. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Repeat after me. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth.
A is equal to length into breadth square units. L is equal to A by B units. B is equal to A by L units. Remember?
So students, this is the formula derived from the main formula. हमारा main formula क्या है? Area equals to length into breadth. But अगर आपको किसी एक सम में आपके पास length नहीं हो, तो आप क्या करोगे? Area divide by breadth. अगर किसी एक सम में आपको बोला गया हो that you are supposed to find the width, then the formula will be area upon length. Understood? It is very easy if you remember the first one.
Remember, the length and breadth of the rectangle must be expressed in the same unit. Example.
You have to keep in mind that the length and the breadth of one unit will be same.
Remember, the length and breadth.
The length and the breadth of the rectangle must be expressed in same unit. बहुत बार क्वेश्चन में ऐसा होता है that the length is given in centimeter and the breadth is given in meters. So you need to convert them and you have to bring them in one same unit. So students, here we complete the topic that was area of rectangle. Let's have a look on the exercise. So students, please open your textbook on page number 168. Exercise number 2. It is very easy. Students, to make this exercise very easy, please jot down these points. After A4, you will observe the first diagram. The first diagram is in this way. I am highlighting this one so you can come to know. In first diagram, there are two full squares. 1 and 2 full squares. Okay? And the third one is more than half. So हम उसको कितना स्कोर देंगे? 1. And जो less than half होगा, we will ignore that. So ये वाला जो box है वो less than half है. So I will be placing 0 on that. अब what you have to do, you have to find the area of the given diagram. To find the area, if the diagram has full box, you will give 1. If the diagram has more than half, 1 mark. If the diagram 0.5. If the diagram is going to a next box but less than half, then 0. Okay, let's have a second. Observe the second one. You can see two. These two boxes are more than half. So I will be giving 1, 1 to both of them. और ये जो ऊपर का इतना शेप है that is less than half. So I will ignore that. So in second, the area will be 2 square meter. Let's see the third one. First of all, let me highlight this figure. Observe the diagram and say me how many full boxes are there. 1 full, 2 full, 3 full. The fourth one is more than half. So fourth one को भी कितना मिलेगा? 1 scoring. And जो remaining है that is less than half. So 0 for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square meters. Understood? In this, the figure is in a shape of hexagon. Okay? In a shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can observe that each box is more than 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So ultimately 4 square meter. Students, now the remaining two sums you will be solving as a part of your worksheet. बहुत easy है. अगर एक डायग्राम फुल बॉक्स कवर कर रहा है so 1, more than half 1 point, half 0.5 and less than half 0. So please write this in your textbook to make your understanding clear. So students, see you in next video. Bye. Take care. God bless you.